Good afternoon to one and all present here, respected Speaker Sir, and all the members of the House. I am standing before you all to speak firmly for the motion on the topic, adoption of AI in the education system of the country undermines the cognitive ability. Respected Speaker Sir, first of all, I would like to emphasize that critical thinking ability and problem solving are among the most important cognitive abilities that the student should have. But with the over-reliance on AI for answers, the students are discouraged from using their mentality and using deep thinking to think about solutions of the problems. For example, platforms like ChatGPT and other AI-based tutoring apps provide instant solution, and it reduces the need of deeper thinking about the mathematical question or any other real-life problems. Honorable Speaker Sir, there is reduced memory retention and also weakening of the comprehension and reading skills among the students. And why is that? Because AI offers readily available information which makes memorization and understanding of the text to seem unnecessary. Many students nowadays do not even read their textbooks, while the research have shown that reading books is good for our mental health as it strengthens the brain. But with AI, it diminishes the human potential to think deeply and use the brain properly. Honorable Speaker Sir, our creativity and imaginative thinking are declining. Why is that? Nowadays, we don't even try to think about the new inventions or discoveries, as AI is readily providing us with pre-designed essays, arts, and projects. And this declines and diminishes the originality of the ideas. A report of 2024 by UNESCO found that 45% of the students in an AI-integrated classroom find it difficult to brainstorm independently about unique ideas. And this situation will only become more worse as the time goes on. And the time will come when all the humans are going to advertise freely for 5-star, which will say that eat 5-star, use AI and do nothing. Honorable Speaker Sir, I want to emphasize that the research and analytical skills are declining nowadays. And why? Because AI aggregates information readily, bypassing the need to gather the source and evaluate the source of the information. For example, history students, instead of reading multiple sources, they just rely on the AI-generated summaries, and this weakens and disables their comprehension and analytical skills. We students are nowadays just copying and pasting. All of you must have done that when a teacher provides us with assignment. What do? Go to your home, open your AI chat box and just copy and paste. And most of the time the teacher will find, oh, you both have copied from the same source, I know. Yes, because we do that. Because we students are just copying and pasting without using our original ideas. Honorable Speaker Sir, now it is the one of most of the important point that we should focus on. The social and emotional intelligence that is being affected by AI, because nowadays students don't get to interact with each other and it declines our emotional cognitive intelligence. Honorable Speaker Sir, I want to give the example of human teachers. We all know if a student is mentally disturbed or feeling sad, a teacher will immediately feel it and give guidance. But this dynamic is not possible with AI. Now, I want to ask my worthy opponent, as they have said that we all go to ChatGPT, Google for looking for answers and all, but I want to emphasize that this happens minimum fraction of the people, because only minimum people will use the AI justifiedly. And what about the majority? This is an issue for the majority and not for the minimum number of people who are using the AI in justice. Honorable Speaker Sir, I want to also speak about the human perseverance and patience that requires us to go through difficulties and win in life. Just the example of great scientists like Thomas Alva Edison. He went through multiple failures, but after multiple failures, through his efforts and perseverance, he was able to invent a bulb that is now benefiting so many people all around the world. Hence, it is high time that all of us should take precaution against the AI that is undermining our cognitive abilities, because it is a threat that will ultimately lead to the destruction of a nation if it is not handled properly. Thank you so much.